artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence. Agentic AI, agentic AI, agentic AI.
Agent AI agents, agent AI agents.
AI, 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 AI.
Everyone's talking about AI agents, but most explanations are either way too vague or just not correct. So let me give you the version that I share with enterprises. A clear 8-minute breakdown of what an agent actually is, followed by building one live with no-code AI agent. By the end of this video, you will have one running yourself. So let's go. All right, let's start with the most important distinction that nobody makes clearly. A chatbot is something that responds. You ask it something, it answers with something. That's it. There's no follow-through, no initiative, no memory of what happened before unless you explicitly paste it back in. An AI agent, it acts. It takes a goal, figures out what steps are needed to reach it, uses tools to execute those steps, checks the results, and keeps going until the job is done. That loop, perceiving, reasoning, acting, repeating, is what makes it an agent. Now here's an analogy. A chatbot is like texting a really smart friend a question and getting a reply. That friend's not going to actually do the work for you. An AI agent is like hiring that same friend as an assistant. You give them a goal, they go figure it out. Use whatever tools that they need and then come back when it's done. That's the core difference. From answering to actually doing, taking action. I've got a much longer explanation of what an AI agent is up here. Click on that to dive deeper into it. Every AI agent, no matter how complex, is built from 4 things. Once you see these, you will recognize them everywhere. The first is the model. This is the brain. It's the LLM. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, whatever you plug in. The model does the reasoning. It decides what to do next based on whatever context and question is. The model alone, though, cannot do much. It needs 3 other things. Second is the memory. This is where most people get surprised. Agents have 2 kinds of memory. Short-term memory is the current conversation, what's been said in this session. Long-term memory is stored externally, like a database, a vector store, so the agent can then remember things across sessions. Without memory, every conversation starts from 0, and with it, your agent knows who you are, what you've asked before, and what's already been done. Third thing is the tools. This is where agents get their superpowers. Now, tools are functions that agent can call, search the web, send an email, query a database, read a file, call an API. The model decides which tool to use and when. You define what tools are available to the model. That combination is what makes agents genuinely useful in the real world. The fourth is orchestration. This is the layer that ties everything together. It manages the loop, takes the goal, passes it to the model, routes tool calls, handles responses, decides when the task is complete. In code, this is what frameworks like LangChain or Llama Index handle. And then there are no-code tools like n8n. They are visual, and that's exactly what we are going to use to build AI agent today. Let's look at n8n. n8n is an AI workflow automation tool. It has a cloud version, but you can also self-host it. I'm going to just use the cloud version today. And you can write from scratch or use the native AI agent mode. So let's look at it together now. Now I am here in n8n. This is the official interface, n8n.io. It is an AI agent and workflow automation tool. You can see everything that you're building. You don't need to code anything. And you've got a version that is hosted in cloud, which is the version that I'm using here, but you can also just host it yourself, which is the beauty of this thing. Now, they've got documentation, a huge community, lots of different use cases. Now, what I love about this is they've got an AI chat on the right, and it allows me to just type what I want the workflow to be about. So I'm creating an agent that triggers every morning at 8 a.m. and it looks at all the tech news, sifts through and creates top 3 of my tech news that I may be interested in, and then it sends that to Gemini for generating an Instagram reel of 60 seconds for all of those top 3 news. It's trying to do that on the left. Now everything's happening automatically. All I did is wrote this prompt on the right, and all of the interface and the agent is being generated on its own on the left. And I actually did not ask it to use Perplexity search tools. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but that's okay. We're going to go in and be able to edit it, but I'm going to, for now, let it do what it's doing. And we can see that what it's thinking, it searched the nodes, update the tech news, connecting the nodes, validating configuration. And on the left hand side, I can see that it started the trigger. Definitely don't like that it used Perplexity without asking me, but that's okay. Okay, all right, it's done. I'm gonna go in and start seeing and clicking around on each of these. Now, I clicked on the chat model, and it is using a model that I don't like. I wanted to use Flash, so I changed that. Now, I'm testing the input coming from the left to the chat model. I can change the parameters if I wanted to, and that looks fine. Now, that get tech news is my agent, which is using Gemini as the model. And then in this agent, the instruction is to use the system message had Perplexity in it, right? It created it by itself. So I went in and changed that to using Gemini Flash model. Easy fix, don't have to do much. Asked it to execute, doesn't work because it's looking for Perplexity search tool. I'm going to get rid of it, and then it's going to use the tool as the same model. Is kind of what I asked it to do, which is perfect. I could use a different tool like a weather app or a search app separately, but I don't need to because Gemini can do that for me. Now again, it ran into resource not found because it is trying to generate the script with a model that doesn't exist. I changed the model to Gemini Flash, and hopefully it will work again. And again, see, I am not really writing any code. I'm really just letting it know which of the things to pick. Now, it couldn't send the email because obviously the to line did not have an email address. I added my email, and it starts to look fine. And I'm going to go check in my Gmail if this email showed up with my top 3 news Instagram script. And there it is. It sent me an email. Now that was us building an AI agent in literally 2 minutes or so with N8N with no code, no single line of code. That is very powerful. All right, so let's lock in what we learned. 1, an AI agent isn't just a chatbot, it's a reasoning loop that perceives, decides, acts, and repeats until a goal is met. Number 2, every agent has 4 components: a model to reason, memory to retain context, tools to act on the world, and an orchestration layer to manage the loop. 3 is you don't need to code any of this from scratch. There are tools like N8N that provide you the components visually to be able to build AI agents in minutes. With that, I'd love to know what AI agents have you built and what tools are you using. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna like my AI engineering videos up here. I'll see you there.